Hi everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how to put parental controls on iPad. To do that guys, just go to your settings. Now you have to just tap on screen time, and now from here you have to just tap on this content. Or first of all you have to choose this is my child's iPhone or iPad. So here's the way is actually guys. So you have to set up screen time for your family. Just tap on this. Why is it not working? Just yeah. Now you guys you have to tap on this continue button over here. Now you have to create your child account, or you can invite anyone guys. Like if you want to control your iPad or your child account from your this iPad device, so then you can invite by tapping on this invite others, or you can send the link, or you can create your child account guys on this. Like if you want to uh, put the parental controls on this device, then you have to create your child account over here. So basically once you create your child account guys over here, then you will see your child name. Just tap on it and set the times screen time passcode different from device passcode guys. And now you have to just configure the content and privacy restrictions. Just tap on it and you have to enable this option. Now you can manage and you can just set the you can guys just manage things you want to allow on your child account or child device. Like you can choose different things like app store. Like if you want to allow your children to install application, then you can choose allow, or if you don't want to allow, just choose no, don't allow. And if you want your children, or if you don't want your children to delete any application, then you have to just tap on this don't allow. And yeah, if you don't want your children to buy or purchase any app services, then you have to just choose and no don't allow from here. And if you want your children to see a passcode whenever he trying to use app store or iTunes, then you should choose this service always require. So this will guys so whenever he's trying to access this service, he has to put password and he has to take a permission from you. And also you can allow applications. So with what application you allow guys over here. Like if you don't want to allow particular application guys, you can disable it from here. So and in app store, if you go into app store, and here you can just do what. So you just need to choose what you want to allow for your children, like what kind of application you want, what kind of application guys he should access or she should access guys. So you can do basic things you want to allow for your children and from here as well. So yeah, these are the setting guys can really helpful for you to manage for your children guys. And to and if you want your children to avoid such explicit things on your device or on internet, then these settings are really can be very helpful. So yeah, these are the things guys you can try out on your iPad. Back from over guys, till then, bye bye.